contradictions with the DA, of course. We have explained this point over and over again, that the DA and us is like water and oil. We don't mix. Even within the GNU framework, we are not expected to be the same because ideologically we are apart with them. So contradictions and different points will arise from time to time, but we have agreed to work together in the GNU for the sake of our country. What does the statement of intent say? It talks about constitutionalism and the rule of law. And that's what brings us together, because we believe in those two things. We don't want anarchy. We believe in the constitution of the country. We want the rule of law. And then a country that is running, that is functional, and then that is guided by the rule of law. Those are the fundamentals in terms of the statement of intent that is guiding us in this government of national unity. Notwithstanding the fact that we are two different parties. So it doesn't mean that the ANC will cease to project and lead the transformation agenda at the National Democratic Revolution, as opposed to the DA agenda that does not believe that South Africa must change for the best interest of the majority of our people in this country. So they will be opposed to labor laws and all of that. We don't agree with them on those things. They've just been opposed to the Bella Act. We don't agree with them. Again, they will be opposed to NHI. We don't agree with them. That's it. If you want things to happen for your party and your constituencies, you must win elections with outright majority and govern on your own. As it stands, the ANC is the largest party in South Africa, in the government of national unity. Lunga, Mbuyiseni, are we talking to him? I don't know. It is possible. It's only him and him only who will speak for himself. But I will not be shocked that the ANC can talk to him, and probably because he's a good member of society, and in the realm of politics, he's a good politician, and so why not talk to him? At the end of the day, it's him who can take a decision about his future. So when his party eject him like that, I mean, just kick somebody like Mbuyiseni out. It means, hey, Julius is powerful. He's overconfident of himself. I mean, Mbuyiseni ke glass palace. He's not just a small boy and all of that in politics. It's like in the ANC, if I dismiss Mahlengi, do you think I'm mad? I won't do it. You know that? I'll actually beg her to stay if she were to think of jumping the ship. But if you are powerful, you are powerful. And then you think that Khalas Palacia Mbuyiseni can just be kicked out like that. So there's nothing wrong for ANC members and everyone to talk to Mbuyiseni. At the end is his choice. Whether, because he has formally left the EFF. I don't know whether he has left the EFF. I don't know. But I know in Parliament. But if he leaves his party, why not talk to him? To join the ANC and contribute in the South African body politic of the country. So it's not the kind of guy who left because it looks like he was kicked out. He was shown that he's of no value to his party. So what? At the end of the day, if he decides to be a politician and want to remain in politics and pursue the agenda of transformation, liberation of our people, we in the ANC, we are open to that. He can come. It's a platform for all South Africans to come and participate. And Lunga, I wouldn't say ANC members didn't talk to him or they are engaging and all of that. It is possible. Okay, right. And then Siyamthanda, MK Party factor. Look, you can see most that Zuma stokvel is imploding every day because he has brought his friends to the stokvel and then and kick out people who work hard, who work for this party, formed it, believing in him. He kicked them out. That thing is getting exposed that it's a family arrangement every day. And we believe that at the end of the day, the ANC is going to survive and become even stronger. And ANC members will see some of them who left genuinely believing that Zuma ngumntu. They are going to see quickly that, no, we're hoodwinked here. And where will they go? They are going to come back to the African National Congress. So we are really interested in strengthening the ANC. Our interventions are aimed at that. Is Zuma not a factor? He is a factor. We have admitted to you that among the factors that cost us in KZN is this one. Where have we said it is not? I don't know. It is this one. We have said that. Openly, we have admitted that this cost us. And it is in that context that we are responding to this particular factor. But it is important also that that factor extricated itself from us so that people can see it for what it is. Because for as much as he was here, people did not see him for what he is. They thought that he's a good man, Ngubaba. But they see now, there's nothing Ngubaba. Ubaba will dish you like you don't exist. And even those who have even followed him, he will deal with them like that. And worst of all, he drafted a constitution that empowers him and him alone. So he can't give us a lecture about democracy and all of that. So he gave himself powers in order to deal with everyone. Moslapana ugotwa ekseni nje. Uvuka nje udibana neletter ku internet umkile. Whoever is appointed as a secretary has got a serious job to expel people. Angayibone ka Floyd exosha abantu, but I'm sure he's coming. If ayizuxosha yena, he led. But yes. So we have looked at all those factors. There's